This is how my project car has sat for, well, I technically moved a year ago, so it hasn't sat here for that long. But I've had it for 5 years and I basically haven't done anything to it. So I need to start doing something to it. This is a heckin' car. That's my heckin' water heater. And my heckin' dryer and washer are also in that corner. And that's my living room right over there. Gang, I need a better garage. No, I don't. I'm poor. I hate the dryer. My garage is also the laundry room, which makes making all these TikToks really difficult because my roommates do their laundry sometimes. Working on the Kelmark GT. We love her. Her name is Kelly the Kelmark. I am scraping all the paint off of her because somebody didn't prep the paint before they put it on 50 years ago, so half of it's on, half of it's off, and I'm not a pro, so I just have my dollar store scraper wherever it is and my manual labor because I don't have money to actually put into it. I don't have money to put into my car, but I definitely have my time and my labor. Let's get it. Okay. Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. Am I gonna do it on my most prized possession anyways? Yeah, I am. And I don't know if you can see it because my lighting's terrible, but I have a lot more spider cracks than he does because somebody didn't brace my car correctly. Let's get to it. I started this and I put my cut wheel on my, on this. I already forget words. Breaking the bit on my Dremel. So good. Okay, there's the start of it. Got so much more to do, but I'm tired. I really appreciate right now that my gel coat is yellow so that I can see when I'm not in gel coat anymore. I do say that right now. But that just means I'm gonna look like freaking Homer Simpson very soon. Homer Simpson looking. It's allergy season and I'm doing body work, yellow hand, and the body work's not making my life too great. I need to start doing something to it. I'm literally a piece of garbage and I love this car and I want it to run eventually, and I just need to get on it and start doing it, you know, because she's cute and I love her, and I need to get motivation. So help me get the motivation.